Next, unplug your wiring. Got some clips running back both sides. Get them unclipped, and then got 10mm bolts down in those holes. I believe there's 5 down each side. Got 2 hoses to unhook, one there, one right down there. Just got little push clips in them to release. Once you get all the bolts out, then pull the little. Then we got the fuel lines, 17mm, and a little 10mm bolt there. Then there's some wiring in the back on both sides to the injector rail and your high pressure fuel pump wiring. Unhook it. Probably take a pick to pull back that little red clip, then unsnap them. Then a 13mm for the injector rail bolts on both sides. You'll have to take the back valve curve bolt off. After you take that bolt out, shove that line back, it'll turn out your way. Get them out laying on the table. Take your pick and then pull all them clips back so you can unsnap them. Once all the new injectors are in the rail, I'll put a little grease on the end so they'll slide in the back in easier. As you're going back in, just work your way from bolt to bolt. Work them down till they're bottomed out, and then plug your wires back up. Same thing with the other side. Start it back down in there. Work it down with the bolts. Then put your line bracket back on. Plug the wires up. Put all your fuel lines back on. Then cycle your key a few times to check for leaks. Once you've verified there's no leaks, put your foam barrier back in and wiggle your intake back in there. Once you got it back in play, then start it up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.